Hello everyone and dear children, welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Dear parents, do you have curious kids? And do you want them to have scientific fun? Then today I'm here with one simple, easy and quick magnetic science experiment for your kids. I am sure children will be amazed to explore the science behind this magnetism. At first, we see what are the materials we require to do this magnetic lines of force experiment. We need one horseshoe magnet, iron filings, one piece of white paper, and a clay slab. Procedure for step 1. Take a soft modeling clay and mold it into your rectangular slab. Step 2. Take the horseshoe magnet and place its magnetic poles vertically on top of the clay slab. Step 3. Take a white piece of paper and place it horizontally across the poles. Step 4. Carefully and slowly sprinkle some iron filings onto the piece of white paper above the magnetic poles. Now what do you observe through this experiment? If you carefully observe, the iron filings move and distribute on this white paper which is placed above the magnet. Are these iron filings evenly distributed? No. Most of the iron filings come close and get concentrate at 2 points of the paper. Do you observe the scattered iron filings around these 2 points? Yes, that's right. There are some iron filings which are scattered between these 2 points. Do you observe any pattern in the scattered iron filings? Yes, that's right. Scattered iron filings between these 2 points are in some lines from one point to other. Are these lines closed or open loops? Yes, that's right. The lines appear to be closed loops between these 2 points. What is the name of these lines? What could be the reason for the formation of these lines? These are the outline of the magnetic force or the magnetic field. So, these are called the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. Do you know how many poles a magnet has? That's right. A magnet has 2 poles, north pole and a south pole. What is the direction of the magnetic field? That's right. The magnetic field direction is from the north pole to the south pole. Outside the magnet, the direction is from north to south. And inside the magnet, the direction is from south to north. So, the magnetic field is the reason why the iron filings arrange themselves along the lines of force. These are the imaginary lines that show the direction of the magnetic attraction. This is about an interesting magnetic lines of force experiment. I hope kids will try and enjoy this experiment. Dear viewers, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.